Welcome to the set, everybody. My name is CJ. Right there's Nate. Right over there's Ethan. And right over there is the man with no face. Told ya. Today's a fun one. It's a different one. We're gonna show you some of our favorite Griddle Nation inspiration episodes. And what that is basically anybody out there in Griddle Nation who's a Blackstone is cooking, I get inspired by that. You guys get to interact with me in the videos. We have some fun. And I am gonna show you the best of 2025. Check it out. Grab something to sip on because you're gonna have so much fun. Griddle Nation inspiration is what it's all about. There we go. Party. So come on, everyone, it's today's first show. But speaking of not Andy Griffith, oh come on.
Oh my.
Just walk this way. None other than dancing in the kitchen. Trish, where did you get the inspiration from this?
Probably me, forgetting to lay something out. I don't know. I'm a mom of teenagers. My schedule's going right, left, up, and down. I don't know whether to scratch my watch or wind my butt. Anyways, I always get stuffed sandwiches, and I do prefer breakfast for dinner, because in the morning times, I just like coffee with a side of quiet.
We're gonna get these down. I've never done this, but I'm... The theory is all there.
Hang on a second. My audio just got real weird. What?
It's just toasting, right? We're just crisping up, toasting little hash brown patties. She did end up using these, something like this, I'll show you later, which was a really cool...
For what?
I'll show you later. Oh. All right, let's see how we do here. I normally do a one-hander.
Do it. Do a one-hander.
No.
Do it.
No.
Do it.
Okay. And then...
Dude, 4 for 4. 4 for 4.
I'm gonna pull this ham, dude. We're not ready for the ham per se.
Can I help you here?
Yeah, that would be great.
Okay.
No, I'm not gonna put them on there yet.
Where are we putting them?
I'm just gonna set them down.
Why?
Because I have other stuff to do.
Oh.
We've got some ketchup. I learned this delicious trick from Nate. Spicy ketchup.
Yeah, now you're gonna be nice to me.
Whatever. Is awesome with breakfast sandwiches. See if it comes to Nate standards. If it needs to be more heat.
More heat.
Kind of knew it did.
It's good. I told you recently, after hanging out with Bruce Mitchell so much, I've fully switched to Crystal.
Yeah, because it's less heat and just more of the flavor.
Yeah, I like Crystal.
Yeah, it's good.
Fan of
All
Crystal.
Right.
Oh, tight, yeah!
There's something I didn't consider.
What?
Everything. Number one, why did I ask my nephew to be on my show?
Wow.
Number two,
Ouch.
I don't know how these are going to come off.
Oh.
I like what you've done here.
This is a bad idea. Trish, what am I going to do?
Oh.
Oh, it looks nice now.
Yeah.
Ha! Oh, she's... Trish! Is this the reason you did not do that? Trish!
Did you roll that thing up? A little butter, a little Pam, anything.
No!
If only Blackstone made egg rings.
They're too big! Ah!
It's like
Everything's
stackable.
Everything's
It's like stackable.
symmetrical. You got creamy guac, you got the spicy ketchup, along with all the other textures and the cheese and the... honestly...
Round potatoes, round eggs.
Everything fit on this slider, dude. Like,
Round
this...
but pointy in places.
It's quite perfect. All right, let's see how we did. Oh, I'm gonna get that cheese skirt.
And a long jacket. It's a big sandwich.
Oh, that it? Well, you guys, oh, there you go.
This is really good. This is really, really good. I think the part that stands out the most to me is the creaminess of the guac and the spicy ketchup. It really balances everything out amazingly. So that's his name. We have always called him, quote, Aaron's husband around here.
Oh.
What are they talking about?
Ziza!
Ziza!
Ziza Vendua! Your lack of what?
I was going James
Star
Earl
Wars.
Jones. I was going to
Your
go
lack
James,
of faith
bro.
is disturbing.
Yeah.
It's true. But now we're done.
We're done.
Go to
We're definitely not done
blackstoneproducts.com.
forever. I'd like to do another Make a Trish Foundation recipe. I've been hanging on to that. I've been hanging on to
You were
it.
just waiting for a moment just to throw it in there, even if it was completely irrelevant. Make a Trish Foundation. our Griddle Nation inspiration for this delightful dish is none other than Bright Spots Greg.
You sure?
Yeah, Bright Spots Greg. Yes, Greg.
Bright spot.
Great Scott.
Wow.
Hold on, we got to ring it for that.
That was pretty.
And then also, where'd you get the inspiration for these delightful upside down pineapple pancakes?
Where the inspiration for pineapple upside down pancakes comes from, it's a childhood memory of mine. Growing up, my mom always did creative things to make holidays and birthdays special for us. So I thought, how can we make this happen? And my middle daughter, Madeline, actually brought the recipe from Chefing with Amber. I took that recipe of hers and made it my own and did the cook, threw it down on the griddle, on the Blackstone.
Hey, can I show you a trick? Well, wait a minute.
I was gonna cut off the top because
I know. If you grab one of these little tendrils, if it pulls out like that, it means it's ripe. If it doesn't, it means it's not ready.
Or you can sniff it.
What are you sniffing for?
Sweetness, pineapple sweetness. Duh. Well, now we've got the core. Let's just cut off
Hardcore?
our.
Hardcore.
You're not hardcore unless you live parkour.
Parkour!
And
I'm not gonna do it, Ethan.
if you know what that reference is from, let us know in the comments down below, and you get to have wicked bragging rights. I'm not going to send you anything, but you just get to know that you're cooler than everybody else.
Okay.
Yeah, well, so's my brother, but he still needs headlights.
Now, last time I used this, I did silver dollar pancakes. We're not going to do that this
Look
time.
pretty big.
We're going to do normal size. We're going to do $100 bill pancakes. That's stupid. That was so dumb. Like, man, I got Andy over there.
Andy?
Yep.
Pineapple.
Okay.
Actually, no, because we're going to need to do cherry. Yeah, get to the pineapple. I'll come back over
Hurry,
here.
hurry,
for cherries.
hurry. Hurry. And this is the little dance you got going on here, boys.
We're doing a little dance.
You got Dotson?
We do have dots in here.
See, nobody cares.
Nice hat.
Flip 'em. I didn't have a good transition for your shirt.
Hey,
CJ!
your transition sucks.
Looks awesome, dude. Let's stack them high. Get them over here, and let's dress these. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
What are you doing with all this left over?
You know what? I think I'm gonna throw a little love over there. Before you steal some.
If you had done
Flutie?
it on purpose, yeah, like look, it's got like ridges.
Oh, cool. He's cutting the side that neither of us can see.
Oh yeah.
Well, you were talking about the flute, so I was hanging out, making it a.
talking about the flute. What is this guy, Jethro Tull or something?
Shut up, dude. And I also don't eat pancakes stacked that high. So.
Raccoon got into your pancakes.
Oh, shut up, dude. Maybe. Dang it. The boys are gonna want to have some. You're gonna want to have some. This is awesome. If you want to spice up your pancake game, if you're tired of the same old boring, basic buttermilk pancakes, this is what you want to do. Greg, thank you so much for the the inspiration.
There you go.
That gave me interest. I tried to save it. All my culinary skills started with you. Of course, I perfected them. All right, this next one comes in from NASA 1 in K.
NASA?
NASA.
1 in K.
So don't listen to the naysayers.
Nice.
More like Nate Sayers.
Oh man,
man.
Ethan's on fire
Hey,
today.
nice pants.
Literally.
Hey.
And right over there is the Snap Champion of the World. Told ya. Guys, we're gonna have fun. This is gonna be a good one. It's a Griddle Nation inspiration from our very own Jess Barron. Hasselback potatoes made in the pizza oven. Man, it's gonna be fun. I'll be ready.
Hasselhoff potatoes?
Hasselhoff potatoes. Why did you make the Hasselhoff potatoes?
Because what else is a vegetarian supposed to eat when everyone else is eating steak? Hasselhoff potatoes. Duh.
Now we're gonna
Dynamic.
oh
Can you just turn on?
yeah, that'd be great. On low.
He's not my boyfriend. Might be a bit warm, the cooler's off. Thanks, babe.
I've never done this, so let's see if this even works.
Of course it will.
Ha! It stops it just like I wanted. Yeah, this is great. This is a great. Whoa. Then we have issues. Careful now. Put a little too much dip on that chip. The more it's going to be able to
Have the layers.
like unfold.
Like the Wait, not the xylophone.
No, that's what I was trying to figure out too. What's the instrument? Accordion!
Oh.
Bring it. All right, I couldn't remember. Who said it first?
The Poker King of the Midwest.
I'm gonna take credit for it though. Get this nice little crack pepper. Come on back. Or just stay there.
I'm staying here.
Stay right there. And that was way louder than I really wanted to go.
Baconator!
I'm gonna show you the sauce I'm gonna make at the end.
Hey CJ, did you know?
Hey.
What were you gonna segue over with?
I was gonna say, take a more
Anyways,
man.
did you guys know that Pink Floyd?
Sounds good.
Looks good.
Don't have anything to make it smell real good yet, but it.
It
Well,
walk
let's stop
like
it while
duck.
it's there.
It talk like duck.
Walk like duck. Must be through Sidham.
Well, I have a lot of allergies, so you might want to think about that.
This is what's about to set it off and take it to a whole new level.
I don't care what people say on YouTube. I think you're a great cook.
Hey, thank you.
I don't know that I've been this excited for a recipe in a long time.
Whoa, wow.
Yeah.
I like that.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. If that was snow, we've got a blizzard. In we go. All right, when I talked to Jess, that's gonna like 2 or 3 minutes. And then we've got a little Ethan special here. Got some ranch.
You're ruining the ranch with sour cream.
Yeah, but what if I then I am excited about this, and I've got 2 people who are with me that are. You're excited about this, right?
Oh, very.
Okay, good. I didn't want to speak for him. I didn't know. Hot.
It's so quiet.
Just like done just right. It's not soggy, so it's not mashed potatoes. Each one of those is crispy.
I bet you could dip in the butter at the bottom too. Or douse.
I think we might could. Let's see. Except it's gonna be liquid hot freaking magma.
That's what the is for.
Oh. Let me introduce
We
you
three.
to Mariah and Sean. They are the parents of Sweet Moira. So pumped that you guys made it down here. They came down for a visit to Florida and they were able to pop in. We're gonna hang out for a couple days, cook some food.
This guy is knowledgeable, but he's very stupid.
Is this about you?
Yeah, it's about me. There you have it, the best of Griddle Nation inspiration for 2025. I hope that you guys are out there and just getting after it with content, because who knows? You might just be the next one who's inspiring and inspires me, who gets to be someone that I talk to.
It's your
It's your bull. Be sure to go to blackstoneproducts.com for all the recipes that you saw today. Go to griddlenation.com, also griddlecrew.com if you're interested in learning about the program. Check out all the other shows. Be sure to like and subscribe, because you stuck around for all this. Why aren't you gonna subscribe? Get all flustered. Anyways, that's how we do an episode of CJ's First Cooking Show, where we cook.
And we close.
And there was no bell.
Because he was shake waiting. A week. One more shake weight. A week bell.
There he is.